Well, it's like living a childhood dream. No? I wish this was there when I was growing up as a child, and I'm hoping many more footfalls come into this place. I mean, I've spent half my day here, and I continue to spend a couple more times here.
హిందీలో చెప్తావు
హిందీలో మీరు తెలుగులో అడిగితే హిందీలో ఎందుకు చెప్పాలి? What is the reception? First of all, I don't. It's. I'm an actor. They call me different places. I do different films. I just speak different languages. That's all.
So how do you speak Hindi so well on the
I don't speak Hindi well at all. I actually speak Dakkani, which is from Hyderabad, and it's not doesn't sound like the Hindi you speak. So which is why I refrain from speaking in Hindi in this part of the country.
What is your next film?
I am shooting for a film called Bahubali, which is a two-part period war film, and that should be out summer next year. So yeah, that's
What
my.
is your character in that war film?
Well, it's a period war film, and I play a king and a warrior. So yeah, so it's.
King and a warrior
Yes,
are very complicated combination. Which one do you prefer? The kingly, this thing?
Well, if you get till the king, you have to obviously fight a bunch of wars, back in the day. Yeah.
उसके लिए क्या तैयारी?
Well, physically I look twice as bigger than what I used to be, and obviously it's very action intensive, and it's a film I'm sure all of you will have fun watching.
What is magical about this Magica?
I think it's about the last two rides that I've been to. Let me tell you, one is the Mr. India ride, which kind of throws you back in time about the film that you watched and kind of grew up on. Then there's a ride called Life for India, which I just came out of, which kind of reminds you back again how beautiful your country actually is. It's a ride that goes straight from the top of Kashmir to Kanyakumari and gives you a chopper view of the country. So I think that's a very beautiful ride again.
Giving a flag off to the parade.
Yes.
What was like? What was the feeling?
Well, actually, firstly, I've always wanted to come to Magica from the time they actually started it. And obviously, I live in Hyderabad, and things just didn't work. And then finally, Pooja called and said, "Are you free on the 10th?" I said yes, and I would just line it up in Magica. So I'm very glad that they actually called me.
जब हम छोटे होते हैं हमें कुछ राइड से डर लगता है तो आपको यहाँ पे ऐसी कोई राइड है जिससे डर लगे
No,
या ऊंचाई से डर लगता हो?
as a kid, I was very excited to go on rides, so I'm not scared at all. Then
Now?
no, not at all. I really enjoy each part of it.
देखो आपने कहीं कहा था कि आपको मतलब एक्शन फिल्म में इंटरेस्ट है रोमांटिक में नहीं तो एक्चुअल क्या कारण
See,
क्या उसके पीछे
so मैं कभी नहीं कहा जी. I never said anything like that. No, I'm just fond of doing films. That's all. So whatever it is.
तो कौन सा सब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा फैसिनेट करता है रोमांटिक या एक्शन?
I think, see, from when I was a kid, I just kept watching so many films, all kinds of films. You kind of grow up and you just want to do everything. So yeah, that's probably me.
Dugu, how romantic are you at heart?
It's Dagu. It's Dagu
sorry.
Bhatt.
Dagu,
Yeah.
Dagu. Okay. How romantic?
Well, in my head, I think I am a lot, but it's again, you don't know what translates outside.
एनीथिंग कमिंग अप इन हिंदी
Well, I'm shooting for Bahubali in 3 languages, so that's probably it for now.
Who is opposite you in that film? Queen?
It's there's Anushka and Tamanna in the film. So
Oh, so we should be prepared to see Anushka getting linked with.
it's why would I, it's a period war film, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you'll be fighting with her, you mean to say?
No, we would be fighting with her. It's actually 2 actors. It's me and another actor called Prabhas, who's there in the film. He's also a very famous Telugu actor. So it's both of us in the leads, and Anushka and Tamanna there as well.
अच्छा आपसे पूछना था बहुत सारी फिल्मों का रीमेक हो रहा था वो स्टेक ऑन दैट मतलब आपके खुद की फिल्मों का भी रीमेक हो चुका है
Yes, of course. Well, the thing is, obviously, if a film has worked in one land, there's no reason why it doesn't work in the other. So I think a great story can always be told many times. That's what it is. Yeah, thank you.
हाँ, इसके बाद